This video is going to show you how to add a new vehicle into your database directly. To be able to do this, I need to click on Vehicles and go up to Add. And I have two options here. By adding a vehicle, I can add one at a time, or I can do a quick import. I will show you both options, starting with an individual vehicle directly. The first thing it's going to ask me is the serial number for the MyGeotab device directly. This serial number can be found on the device, as well as on the box, as well as on some of the stickers that are provided inside of the box with the device. Once I have that information, I can paste it in here, and I can click OK. And now it's going to take me directly to the vehicle information that I can apply here. I can type in the name of the vehicle. I can see the device type as well as a serial number. I can type in a VIN, license plate, odometer, and engine hours all directly, as well as comments into the system. Once I have all this information, I can go up and click Save, and that will allow this vehicle to be imported directly into the system. That is a great way to do one vehicle at a time to get them directly into the portal. I will then show you how to import this into the system using the Quick Import tool, which will be more beneficial if you have multiple vehicles to load at once. By clicking Quick Import, the system is going to ask me for all the serial numbers listed. You can also copy and paste from an Excel or a CSV file as necessary. The main thing to keep in mind is once you have a list of all of the serial numbers, it's important to at least add a space, a tab, a comma, some indication that separates the MyGeotab serial number from the naming convention you would like to use for this vehicle. In this case, I'm going to list the username here, and then I could have a list that continue to follow below. The only thing you're going to be importing here is the MyGeotab serial number as well as the vehicle's description name. As I click Import, those items are going to directly load into the system. As I scroll down to the bottom, I'm going to be able to see that new vehicle in the system. I can click on it to be able to retrieve that information. Again, you're going to go to the exact same screen where I can add in all of my specific information associated with that vehicle, starting with the VIN. Keep in mind that VINs will only be populating from newer vehicles that are probably newer than 2008 and on. Older vehicles, such as this one, are not going to provide you a direct VIN into the system. I can enter in my license plate information as well as an odometer reading depending on what the vehicle provides. I find that most vehicles 2008 and newer will provide the odometer. If not, they can still be added, as well as I can add in any engine hours that might be necessary. This comment section is going to allow you to type in any other information that might be necessary for this vehicle that can be accessed at any time. So for example, if I wanted to put the make and model of this vehicle, I can have that loaded as well. Once I have this information created, I can also then apply the specific groups that might need to be associating this vehicle. I can apply multiple groups to this vehicle as well to be able to have all this information directly associated. Once I have all the information that I want, I can click Save. And now I'm going to be able to have my vehicle loaded directly into the system.